Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to import contacts in Telegram. So let's get started. So to import contacts in Telegram, then what you have to do is first of all open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on that just tap on the gear icon, and after tapping on your settings, now what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will find this option in the bottom which is Telegram Android version. So what you have to do is just simply long press on that, and after doing that you will find this message which says long press again. So just do that, and after doing that you will find this pop-up menu. So now you can just import your Telegram by tapping on this first option which is import contacts. So just tap on import contacts, and that will automatically import contacts on your Telegram application. So in this way you can add contacts to your Telegram. So that's it guys, this is how to import your contacts in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.